Good morning, vlog. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kaya B, and this motherfucker, I am back here with another YouTube video. Anyway, y'all, today is Vlogmas Day 15. It is December 15th. Y'all know what that means? Got 10 more days until Christmas, and I'm so excited to being able to stop spending money. I'm so excited to be able to stop spending money. Do you hear me? Anyway, y'all, it's 11:43. I'm on the phone with my boyfriend. Anyway, it's 11:43, and I'm not doing nothing today. My stomach is cramping. My cycle came on this morning about 7 o'clock. Not in the mood, you know? Like, I'm still in some pajamas right now. My stomach hurt. My stomach feels like it's in a knot. But my sister went to her house and she brought me back some pineapples. Like, look at those pineapples. They look so freaking good. She brought me back some pineapples, some cran mango juice, and she brought me some vitamins for my cramps. And I just took the vitamin before I started the vlog. But yeah, I'm not doing anything but watching. I'm not doing anything but watching YouTube today. I'm gonna be catching up on people's on the girlies VLOGMAS, and yeah, just chilling because my stomach hurts. Hello? My stomach hurts so bad. Like, the first day be the worst day. Second day be the heaviest day. Third day, kinda heavy, but no cramps. Fourth day, I'm basically freaking spotting for fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day. Like, whose cycle stay on for 7 days? This is insane, if you ask me. And I'm only on day 1 today. Like, it's insane. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do something later. I wanted to go to the gym. I'm probably still gonna go to the gym because the doctor said I could go work out. I just couldn't put a lot on my shoulder. So I'm basically probably just gonna do leg day, like, every time I go to the gym. And I'm supposed to start physical therapy sometime this week. And she was like, if my arm doesn't get any better, then we're just going to do the injection. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now with my shoulder. I keep saying my arm. Don't mind Zala. She's probably sleepy or something. She wants some food. I don't know. Baby girl is crying. But she said, I always say like my arm because it literally, like, everything from here down, like, it affects all of this right here. So that's why I be saying my arm. Baby girl covered up her face like I'm getting on her nerves or something. Zala, your mommy's here. Your mommy's here, mommy. Your mommy's here, mommy. Anyway, hey guys, my boyfriend just got here from work and he brought us Chick-fil-A to eat. He bought me and him some Chicken-fil-A to eat. Hey baby, she's so irritated. Hey baby. But yeah, we about to eat this Chick-fil-A. I'm probably gonna cook later on today. It is 2:21, and I'm still laying in bed. My stomach is still cramping, and I still have not gotten up to get myself together. But hopefully, after I eat this food, I'm able to get up and get myself together. I need to sort my clothes so I can wash them tomorrow. We might go to the gym today. We might not. It really depends on if my stomach starts feeling better after we eat. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and then we're gonna see how the rest of this day goes. He's shooting you with water. Yeah. Go get some water and shoot him back with the water. Hmm? No, he not. He gonna do it how you was doing it. Look. Look, Bean. Say hey to the vlog. Hey. You shot Tariq back with the water. Huh? You shot Tariq back with the water. Huh? What you playing? Huh? What you playing? The ball game. Let me see. What is it? This what Tariq chicken looking like and fries. My big bag baby just got from work. How was work?
Tiring.
Do I need to beat them up for giving y'all a super pack?
No, that's fair. That's cool.
Okay, I'll be cool this time. This what mine look like. This what Tariq's look like. He got macaroni, chicken, fries. Big bag. Look at all that she wants on. Say hey to the vlog. And then I just got chicken and fries.
And then the last one is being silent.
Bean had said hey to the vlog earlier.
Jay want you. Jay want you.
Do you want to say hey to the vlog?
Jay want you.
I said, yeah, hey. Hi. He said hey. Hey. Hey.
Ask them what they've been doing.
What you be doing?
He want some chicken.
She likes it.
Good.
Chew it. Oh, man.
Really, Zala?
Eat it. What you want?
She been eating the chicken. Thank you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
Kisses.
More kisses. You want some more?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
More?
Yes.
More?
Just some more.
Oh shoot, I'm about to fall. Anyway, guys, we're about to get ready. We have to go to the store. And yeah, I don't know why it seemed like I'm getting a little cold or something. I ain't been outside today. But somebody trying to steal your car? Do they need that? Oh, okay. But we gotta go into Publix, and then we have to go into Five Below. And we might need to go to Ross, Tariq. I need some underwear on your tab. So, yeah, guys, we're about to get ready to go. The queen needs some underwear. You so fucking nasty, bro. I heard that. We heard that. YouTube heard that. And I'm not taking it out. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to where we're going. Now watch me. Y'all. The kitchen is under construction. I'm gonna clean it as soon as I get back. And watch me. And watch me. And watch me. Say hey to YouTube. Say hey. Do your dance. Do your dance. Do your dance. Do it. Do it. Do your dance. Hey. Do your dance. Hey. Do your dance. Hey. Do your dance. These cars are so fucking ugly. Like, why do people buy these ugly ass cars and think that they look good? They're so ugly and they so boxy. Like, what in the world? Then got this ugly color. At least get pink or something. If you're gonna get an extravagant car that's already ugly, you gotta take some distraction off the car. Don't just get a color that it come in and get something different. Cause it's ugly. Yes, cause it's ugly. But yeah, we done made it to freaking Publix. And we see this big boxy ass Cybertruck. I'm not. I don't want to get no Back to the Future car. I don't plan on getting in your car, bro. This the only car of yours I'm ever getting in.
You definitely ain't getting my C8.
Yeah, you definitely ain't getting it with me. Who said that?
That's cool. I can get that.
Who said that? Who the fuck said that? Anyway, yeah, we done made it to Publix. We couldn't dang, somebody's car is not about to green. That sucks. It's cold. And we about to go shopping. Grocery shopping. A little bit. My sister sent me in here with a list like I just fooled her like that or something. Like, I was coming in here to get one thing and get out. Shawty told me, can you get this for me? She lucky it's for my niece, because if it was for her, I would have told her. I'm just fine. I'm leaving Tyreek. I'm doing grocery shopping. Oh, I thought you... No offense. Throw it in there, throw it in there. Y'all, we done shopping. Now we about to check out. Because I came in the store for 5 things. I don't know what happened. Alright, y'all, we at Ross. Dress for less. I'm about to beat Tyreek up in Ross because he's talking about something. He don't care about nothing that I got to say. Anyway, guys, we're at the gas station. We're getting some ice. Well, he in there getting some ice and he about to get him some gas. And then I'm going to go home and I'm going to start cooking. I'm going to show y'all me cooking a little bit because I got to clean up the kitchen first. I'm going to clean up the kitchen, then I'm going to show y'all me cooking. And then I have lash appointments in the morning, early in the morning. Pray for me, because y'all know my cycle is on. It's been giving me hell today. And I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it, okay? I'm going to do it. But, yeah, I'm supposed to be making some croissant burgers. I got some pickles, some lettuce and stuff, some cheese. And basically going to be some homemade burgers because that's what I got the ground beef for and everything. But, yeah, I'm excited because I don't be cooking like that for real, so... I hope it's good. And I'm hungry. And I got some fries to cook. But yeah. I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the house. I'm about to mix this up. Wait, let me season it first. You scared?
I just don't know how it feels to texture of it.
Hold on, let me put the rest of the seasoning.
Hmm?
You can mix it up and make it into some balls.
Take me through that. We going twin. Take me through that. Take me through that. We going there. Take me through that. Take me through that. We gone. Take me through that. Take me through that. She gone out of that booth. She gone out of that over the air. She gone. I'm taking her up through the. Two on my go-to player. Hydra, 2 players.
This what the burgers look like before they get done. The pan is heating up, and I'm about to put the stuff in the pan right now. Damn. Us down about an hour ago, but we still in this squeeze. Oh. Anyway, guys, we just got done eating. I'm about to get ready to wrap these gifts up. It's like maybe 8 gifts, I want to say. Oh, I done ran out of wrapping paper. Ain't that about a bitch? So we about to run to the store real quick. Yeah. Alright, so we just got back and we just got the text